Top 5 Best Egg Cups. Best egg cups for picture-perfect mornings. They may not look like much, but these small items of tableware can make your daily breakfast routine a lot easier. From fun designs to high-end porcelain constructions, our list includes many options designed to help you enjoy eggs your favorite way in the morning. Some choices come with spoons and even devices to make sure you get a perfect cut along the top of the shell. Best belay devices. Best belay devices for climbing rock walls. Bella 17283 Cooker, Rapid Boiler. Elite Gourmet EGC 314M Crazy Sale. Egg cups for soft-boiled eggs.
I rarely eat soft-boiled eggs because they're so messy and it's just not worth my time to eat them.
My wife likes to have girls over, ladies over, and they always like to have a nice presentation of food products.
So I was really excited to try out this set because it takes out the mess for you and you don't have to like crack the top of your egg and try and pick out the shell. It's so much easier.
Ultra modern look to it. Again, solid packaging. It's a 3-step process as well. So basically you just pull, score, and enjoy.
It works pretty much instantly. It pulled off the entire top of the egg for me, so I didn't have to deal with the shell at all. I highly recommend you check it out.
Great product, great design, great packaging. Be part.
Egg Cup Polka Dot Soft Boiled Egg Holder. Sin Ceramic Egg Cup Crazy Sale.
To think about where you want, Bucky down gone. Where you want that fire down man. Where you want, Bucky down gone. Get cracking, get yellow, blue. To think about where you want, Bucky down gone. Where you want that fire down man. Where you want, Bucky down gone. Get cracking, get to think about where you want, Bucky down gone. Where you want that fire down man. Where you want, Bucky down gone. Get cracking, get to decorate the egg. To think about where you want, Bucky down gone. Where you want that fire down man. Where you want, Bucky down gone. Get cracking, get to think about where you want, Bucky down.
Visit our site reviewparks.com, link in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe.